This peanut butter pound cake recipe by Rosalind Carter is from a 1977 cookbook called Taste of Georgia, and it's so good I want a copy of the book now. The cake is so rich from the peanut butter, and to take it over the top, I finished it with a peanut butter fudge glaze, even though the cake is great on its own. Can you see how moist it is? Don't worry about leftovers, because once you slice it, after a few hours, nothing will be left. To start, whisk together your dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Set aside. Cream together 2½ sticks of butter with 2 cups of sugar. Add in 6 eggs, one at a time. Now add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now whisk in a heaping 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. Now add your dry ingredients in 2 or 3 batches, but do not overmix. Pour the beautiful batter into a greased and floured bundt pan. Smooth the top and bake in a preheated 325-degree oven for around 45 to 50 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Do not overbake. Keep it in the pan for 10 minutes before flipping it onto a serving platter. Make the fudge icing by combining 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter with a 1/4 cup of buttermilk and a 1/3 cup of peanut butter. Bring to a simmer, then turn off the heat and sift in 2 cups of powdered sugar. Pour the icing over the top of the cake. Let the icing set and enjoy.